First, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Or skip this step if you have a wired connection between your router and computer. Open a web browser and go to the address you see on the screen. And press Enter. If none of these addresses worked, then find the address printed on a label on the back or bottom of your router. If this address also did not work, then watch my other video where I show how to find the correct IP address of the router and then return to this video. All links are in the description. After entering the correct address, you will be taken to the login page. Here, you'll need to type in your router's username and password. For most NETGEAR routers, the default username is admin, and the default password is password. After entering your login details, click this button. If these details do not work, then find the default information on the label on the back or bottom of your router. If nothing works, you will need to reset the router to its factory settings and set it up again from scratch. Links to videos are in the description. Done. You are now in the router's admin panel. While the admin panel finishes loading, I recommend the best VPN service on the market, NordVPN. It gives you secure access to all restricted content and websites worldwide. Use the link below for a 70% discount on your first month. Try NordVPN risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Go to the Wireless tab. On this page, find the Wireless Network section. In this section, find Security option and select WPA2 Personal. In the Password section, enter the Wi-Fi network password. Do the same for the 5 GHz network if your router supports this network. Click the Apply button. Wait a couple of minutes until the settings take effect. Reconnect to your network if you were connected to the router via Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to secure your connection with NordVPN using the link in the description for that 70% discount.